What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to All Things Luxury with me, Asia. If this is your first time here on this channel, we talk about all things luxury. And if you are a part of the Lux Gang, I want to thank you guys for your continued support. Okay, so I did this vlog. So I'm going to be inserting the actual vlog or whatever. But this video is going to be about me getting my Louis Vuitton Mules repaired. So in the vlog, you're going to see the condition of the shoes, and then after you see the condition of the shoes, then I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished product. So see you later. These Louis Vuitton Mules for about, I want to say 3 years, and you guys, I have worn them out. You can't even see the words inside anymore. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I said that I was gonna send them to a leather shop instead of sending them through Louis Vuitton Repair. So yeah, come with me while I do that. This is the shop right here. It's Jerry's Shoe Repair.
Definitely Louis Vuitton. Do you want the tap on it, that rubber tap on the new heel? See,
So he said that my shoes were in bad condition. But sir, I had these for 3+ years and I ran these shoes out, honey. So he say he ain't gonna get them to looking brand new, which is fine. But I know I'm not paying $1,000 for these shoes again. I'm not doing that. So if you could get it to looking decent, I'm good. I paid $48. So they'll be ready next week. So I will show you guys how they look. I am so excited. And when I walked in and I saw it was a black man, I was so happy. And I was like, I literally just Googled a place, and I'm so glad that I found a black business. And you know, he smiled or whatever and said thank you. But I will let y'all know how this go. I am so excited. Hopefully they can restore my Mules to looking halfway decent, because he was like, you really wore these out? I said, sir, I had these for like almost 4 years and I ran them out to death. So yeah. All right, you guys, here are the shoes. When I got them back in a Walmart bag, guess what? I knew that they were going to be fire. Just because it came in a Walmart bag, if you know, you know, I just knew it was going to be fire. All right, so here they are. He did an awesome job. You guys saw the before, and this is the after. So still, you know, some wear and tear right there. He told me he wasn't going to be able to do anything with that one, but he said he would paint, you know, paint on it, paint around it or whatever, paint over it. And he did a good job with it. He put this little sole right here. And he says, I actually put these on all my shoes or whatever. So, yeah, so that's the only difference. It has this extra sole right here. It doesn't have Louis Vuitton right here because obviously it's worn out, you know, so it's not on there. Here's the other one. And this is it right here. As you can see, the canvas is in perfect condition. So I've had these shoes, like I said, for 3.5 years, and I really wore them. Like when I buy something, I buy them to wear them. And I really got I really got my money's worth out of these shoes, but I really didn't want to buy them again. So if you are interested in buying these shoes, I will post a picture of it coming up right now. And I believe these are still available on the website. But yeah, so if you're thinking about, you know, your leather items from Louis Vuitton, if you thinking about getting rid of your items because they got wear and tear on it, hey, just take it to a leather shop and see what they can do. I do know that Louis Vuitton does repairs and stuff, but I felt like Louis Vuitton really was gonna like charge me out the pockets. I really thought they were gonna like charge me a lot, because a lot of the issue was wear and tear. Like there was no defect or anything. It was just me wearing the heck out of these shoes. But here they are again. I am in love with these. So I actually wore these earlier today. So I have on the Louis Vuitton Essential necklace with the nanogram hoops And I think this is the brown confidential bandeau. And a dress I got from Walmart. So I would definitely leave a picture of this whole outfit or whatever. And this is a Vince, I think it's Vince Camado, maybe something like that. This is his gold belt that I decided to put around it. So yeah, so if this is your first time on this channel, I want to thank you for watching. If you are a part of the Lux Gang, I want to thank you guys for watching as well. And I hope that I said something in this video that made you want to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and then hit that notification button to be notified when I post the video. But I will see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great, blessed week.